Hi everyone. I'm gonna do a little Christmas bloom on this little tile, and then I'll do it on some little ornaments. I just want to check these colors out and see if I like them together. That's an eggshell mist tint paint that I've bought. It's just kind of a greeny color. I'm gonna try it as a base. What was that fell? I'm just gonna try it for a base and see how it comes out. Okay. It's going over an old tile. So I've got gold. I've got red and green. I think I'll put the gold down first. I'll try not to put too much. Put some, this is Carmine Red by Amsterdam. And this is Metallic Red by Artist Loft. And this is Metallic Green by Artist Loft. And try red and green together. And then I'm going to use some of this yellow green. And let's see what we get. Oh, I know, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to make up some more cell activator, but I think I might have enough. This is Payne's Gray. Oh, should I use white? You know what? I think I'll use white. Amsterdam Titanium White and Australian Full Trop. See how the color combination comes out. This color underneath is not the nicest color, so you won't see it unless I leave some around the edges, but I'm going to try and just spin it all off. Color combination is good, so I might try that on one of my little ornaments. Let's see if I can spin this. Make sure it's centered good. To do my little swirly guys. See, I would have, yeah, maybe I should have used white. maybe I won't swirl it then. It's a little bit thicker than my Gliddem Premium. There, we're almost all off. I like that one. I'm going to do another one because I have two tiles the same, so I'll make two Christmas coasters from this. Lift this up, clean the bottom off. Can only see a little bit of the base color there that came through, but it's not too bad. Let's make sure my bottom is clean. All right, let's do another one. I'll do the same color because I want them to match, so. I wonder if I add white to this, I could lighten it up a little more. That might be a good idea. It's nice paint, but now, did I get much gold come through there? Not a lot. Maybe I'll try putting, that time I put the green on the top, this time I'll put the red on the top. Where's my gold? I'll do the same. I'll put the gold on the bottom. And then I'll put the red, no, green. And then the red. This is Carmen Red by Amsterdam. And this is Metallic Red by Artist Loft. It's probably a lot of paint. I'll use my whites activator again. Oh, that's pretty. So one's going to have more green on the top, one's going to have more red on the top. That's really nice. The gold didn't come up through much. Just wondering if that green the metallic red is opaque, and the green is opaque, so that's probably why my gold's not showing through. I should have put the opaque colors on the bottom, but still looks good. Less gold. When I do my little ornament, I'll show you my little ornament. I'll do the same, but put my red on the bottom. I'll give this a spin. Spinner, I tell you. Oh, I like this one. Wow, this is very pretty. Very pretty. This is the underneath color. I just thought I would try and poke it and see if I can get it to disappear. There. Yeah, that's really nice. I'll give it one more spin. There. I love it. There you go. Can't get the other one, and I'll show you them both together. This one had the green on the top. This one had the red on the top. But they both look really nice. There you go. So yeah, red and green, they look good together with some gold mixed in. Thanks for watching and have a great day, everyone. And come back to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe. Hit the bell. Comment below. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. Here's my dried tiles, my Christmas colored ones that I'm going to make coasters. I love them. They're very pretty. Drying nice and smooth. The middle's a little damp, so I'm not going to touch it, but just this is all dry around the outside, smooth as anything. There you go. I love them. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.